Testosterone plays a critical function in our general welfare and physical performance. With low testosterone, you could feel sluggish and lethargic and simply not yourself. It may lead to a lack of desire, reduced muscular mass, and even damage your mental health. We're not talking about becoming swole for the sake of it. It's about keeping a healthy balance and ensuring your body performs at its best. It's about feeling well, being healthy, and achieving your best in all facets of life. Whether it's at work, at the gym, or at home, healthy testosterone levels may make a major impact. Luckily, there are natural methods to enhance your testosterone. You don't need to resort to artificial procedures or short remedies. No needles, no medicines, just hard work and determination. By adopting appropriate activities and lifestyle adjustments, you may naturally improve your testosterone levels. Let's dig into the finest workout regimens to improve your T levels. Compound activities like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses are especially beneficial. This isn't just about looking good in the mirror, although that's a wonderful plus. It's about developing a solid foundation for your health and longevity. It's about maximizing your health and feeling like the greatest version of yourself. When your testosterone levels are in balance, you'll notice benefits in your energy, mood, and general quality of life. Alongside exercise, diet plays a key role. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, keeping hydrated, and getting adequate sleep are vital for maintaining high testosterone levels. Stress management is another crucial element. High stress levels might significantly damage your testosterone, so techniques like meditation, mindfulness, and spending time in nature might be good. Social relationships and participating in things you enjoy also contribute to your overall wellness. Surround yourself with good influences and make time for hobbies and interests. Setting objectives and completing them may enhance your confidence and motivation, further promoting healthy testosterone levels. Celebrate your accomplishments and keep going ahead. Embrace an active lifestyle and be open to trying new hobbies. Challenge yourself and venture out of your comfort zone to keep your body and mind active. Ultimately, it's about living a fulfilled life and exuding optimism. When you take care of your body and mind, you'll feel more alive and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Reflect on your adventure and keep positive. With effort and the appropriate strategy, you may maximize your testosterone levels and live your best life. Feel powerful and embrace your potential. Your road to greater health and well-being begins with recognizing the significance of testosterone and taking proactive efforts to boost it. Achieve balance, discover harmony, and live with purpose. Your testosterone levels are only one piece of the picture, yet they have a crucial influence in your overall health and happiness. Feel appreciative and enjoy the trip. Look forward to a future when you feel your best, perform your best, and live your best life. When it comes to raising testosterone, weightlifting reigns supreme. Heavy lifting in particular provides a signal to your body to make more testosterone. Focus on complex workouts like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These work many muscle areas concurrently, resulting to higher testosterone release. Don't be scared to push yourself with bigger weights as you advance. Remember, the idea is to gradually stress your muscles to encourage development and hormone production. But remember, develop over weights. Always emphasize good technique to prevent injury. High-intensity interval exercise, or HIIT, is another effective testosterone enhancer. This entails alternating between short bursts of vigorous activity and shorter recuperation intervals. Think sprints, burpees, jump squats, anything that gets your heart rate flying in a short period of time. HIIT is very efficient, both for burning fat and raising testosterone. It's like pushing the fast forward button on your exercise. Plus, HIIT exercises are often shorter than regular cardio, making them excellent for a hectic lifestyle. We touched on this before, but it needs reiterating. Compound workouts are your greatest buddies when it comes to testosterone production. Squats, deadlifts, bench presses, overhead presses. These motions involve numerous muscular groups concurrently. This leads to a higher hormonal reaction compared to solitary workouts like bicep curls or tricep extensions. Incorporate these compound motions into your regimen at least twice a week for best results. Remember, work smarter, not harder. Whether you're just walking into the gym for the first time or you're a seasoned athlete, finding your path in fitness is vital. It's about recognizing where you are and where you want to go, just beginning off. Don't go overboard. It's tempting to become enthusiastic and want to try everything at once. But remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Begin with lesser weights and fewer repetitions, gradually increasing the intensity as you gain stronger. This strategy helps your body adapt to the additional demands you're exerting on it, lowering the likelihood of damage and maintaining consistent improvement. Focus on acquiring appropriate form and developing a strong foundation. Proper form is the cornerstone of successful and safe training. It guarantees that you're targeting the proper muscles and not placing unnecessary stress on your joints. It's best to start gradually and steady than to risk harm by doing too much too quickly. Injuries may put you back back weeks or even months, so it's vital to listen to your body and proceed at a rate that feels good for you. For seasoned lifters, keep pushing your limitations. You've developed a firm foundation, and now it's time to push yourself further. Increase the weight, repetitions, or sets as you grow. This incremental loading is crucial to maintain muscle development and strength increases. Continuously push your body to prevent plateaus. Listen to your body. It's crucial to push yourself, but also to realize when you need to take a step back. If you're feeling sore or exhausted, take a rest day. Rest days are vital for healing and muscular building. They provide your body the time it needs to mend and strengthen. Recovery is just as vital as the exercise itself. Incorporate stretching, foam rolling, and other recovery exercises into your regimen to keep your muscles supple and decrease pain. Remember, the route to fitness is a personal one. Find what works best for you and be consistent. Your journey may appear different from others, and that's absolutely acceptable. Embrace your own path and appreciate every milestone along the road. Boosting testosterone isn't just about feeling more macho. It's about enhancing your entire health and wellness. Greater testosterone levels are connected to several health advantages, including greater muscular mass and strength, enhanced bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, better mood and cognitive performance, and lowered risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. So you're not simply lifting weights, you're investing in a better, happier self. You can't outtrain a terrible diet. What you put into your body immediately affects your testosterone levels. Focus on having a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. These nutrients supply the building blocks for muscle development and hormone synthesis. Stay hydrated by drinking lots of water throughout the day. Dehydration may significantly affect testosterone levels. Limit processed meals, sugary drinks, and excessive alcohol intake. These may alter hormonal balance and hamper your growth. In the quest of fitness, it's tempting to concentrate entirely on the intensity of your exercises. However, the value of rest and recuperation cannot be emphasized. Muscles don't develop at the gym, they expand during moments of relaxation. When you lift weights or participate in rigorous exercise, you develop small rips in your muscle fibers. It's during the recovery phase that these fibers rebuild and get stronger. Give your body ample time to recuperate after rigorous exercises. Stretching and cooling down are crucial components of this process, helping to minimize muscular pain and enhance flexibility, and aim for 7 to 9 hours of decent sleep each night. Sleep is not only a passive condition, it's a necessary moment for your body to restore and replenish itself. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is crucial for muscle repair and testosterone creation. This hormone plays a critical function in muscle development, fat metabolism, and general physical recovery. Don't be hesitant to integrate rest days into your regimen. Rest days are not a sign of weakness, but a deliberate aspect of a fully rounded training strategy. They let your muscles to heal and develop, limiting overtraining and lowering the danger of injury. Listen to your body and take a rest when required. Hydration and right nutrition also play essential roles in recovery. Drinking lots of water and having a balanced diet high in protein, vitamins, and minerals can considerably accelerate your recovery process. Remember, recuperation is just as vital as the exercise itself. By emphasizing rest and recovery, you lay the groundwork for long-term success and consistent fitness growth. So next time you arrange your training program, be sure to include adequate time for relaxation and regeneration. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a jacked body or healthy testosterone levels. Consistency is crucial when it comes to accomplishing your fitness objectives. Make exercise a non-negotiable component of your routine, just like cleaning your teeth or eating breakfast. Start with a few workouts each week and progressively increase the frequency and intensity as you adjust. The objective is to create sustainable behaviors that you can continue over the long run. Pushing your boundaries is vital, but so is learning when to back off. Listen to your body and be attentive of any pain or discomfort. Don't attempt to force through an injury. Relax and seek competent medical advice if required. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a sprint. It's best to improve gently and methodically than to risk setbacks from overtraining or injury. Boosting your testosterone levels requires time and work. There are no fast solutions or miraculous potions. Embrace the process. Stay consistent with your exercises and nourish your body with the correct nutrition. Remember, it's not only about the physical changes, it's about feeling better, having more energy, and living a healthier, more rewarding life. Keep pushing, be motivated, and enjoy the trip.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.